We ask your blessing on Vincent Rougeau as he begins his service to this community as president.
Grant him, O God, an attentive mind and a humble heart.
May he have vision and compassion, and be given courage by the love of his family and friends.
May he have the courage to make hard decisions.
May he know the support of all in this community: students, faculty, staff, alumni, and benefactors.
Today, on behalf of the Society of Jesus, and in collaboration with the Board of Trustees, I am delighted to mission Vincent Rougeau as president of the College of the Holy Cross.
I am honored to have been selected as the 33rd president of this outstanding institution. In the Jesuit Catholic tradition, we also teach our students that we do not come fully into an understanding of who we are, why we matter, and how we can help the world until we embed ourselves into a community. At Holy Cross, we walk hand in hand with students in this living, learning community and in their personal journey toward a life that fulfills them personally and professionally. Our message to these students is clear. Come to Holy Cross, discover your purpose, and master the tools that together will change the world. This is the promise of a liberal arts education grounded in Catholic values. A just society created by people for and with others. As an institution committed to the belief that all human beings are made in God's image, Holy Cross has a responsibility to think rigorously about what we owe one another in the pursuit of a just society. This is our enduring mission, guided by our Catholic faith and reflecting the changing times. This is a moment of opportunity, of audacious hope, and belief in the transformative power of education. This is a day when a Black layman from the South can lead a Jesuit institution in New England. As Holy Cross's new president, I promise you my unwavering commitment and tireless effort in pursuit of these goals. I look forward to the work ahead, and I am hopeful. Thank you.